Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're diving into the world of streaming as we show you how to install and watch Disney Plus on your Roku device. Whether you're a fan of Marvel, Pixar, or Star Wars, Disney Plus has something for everyone. Let's get started. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before we begin, make sure your Roku device is compatible with Disney Plus. Most Roku devices are, but it's always good to double check for any updates that might be needed. Step 2. Installing Disney Plus. Navigate to the Roku home screen. Using your Roku remote, press the home button to access the main menu. Go to Streaming Channels, scroll down, and select Streaming Channels to open the Roku Channel Store. Search for Disney Plus, use the search function or browse through the channels to find Disney Plus. Add channel. Once you've found Disney Plus, select it and then choose Add Channel to download and install the app on your Roku device. Wait for installation. Roku will download and install Disney Plus automatically. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 3. Signing in. Launch Disney Plus after installation, return to the Roku home screen. You should now see the Disney Plus app. Open the app. Select Disney Plus to launch the app. Sign in if you already have a Disney Plus account. Select Log In and enter your credentials, email, and password. New users, if you're new to Disney Plus, choose Sign Up Now and follow the prompts to create an account and subscribe. Step 4. Enjoying Disney Plus. Explore content. Once logged in, you can browse through Disney Plus's extensive library of movies and shows. From classic Disney animations to the latest Marvel blockbusters, there's something for everyone. Personalization. Disney Plus allows you to create profiles for different family members, so everyone can enjoy a personalized viewing experience. Conclusion. And there you have it. You're now ready to stream your favorite Disney movies and shows on your Roku device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments what other streaming services you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy streaming!